My name is Sammy. I had problem with my teeth, and a friend of mine introduced me to Dr. Jane. And I came, and everybody have to try and witness what I witnessed, because seeing is believing. And Dr. Jane really treated me very, very well. He changed my teeth completely from up and down, and advised me what to do, what not to do. And he has a lot of patients working on the teeth, and I feel comfortable being with him. How he talked to me, how he treated me, how everything came out. The experience that I got is terrific. Whatever problem you have, if you discuss with him, he put it into, right direction. I'm telling everyone to really, try. If you have any problem, go to Dr. Jane.